Good afternoon, Miss Decker's chemistry class. I want to share with you just a couple of tips as to how to do part 4 here on your list of tasks for today. So basically, you're going to be using a tool called NotebookLM. Yes, it is an AI tool, and you're going to interact with a notebook so that you can learn more about the concept of the mole and why chemists use this particular form of measurement. So, your goal is to discover as much as you can about this tricky concept through interacting with sources and whatnot. So, what you're going to do is you are going to, so that then you can, of course, answer in your exit ticket. I should mention that. Okay, whatever you're discovering and thinking on and whatever, you are going to be asked to demonstrate in your own words what you learned from your exploration within the notebook. So, you click on the notebook down here. And then once you're in here, you're not going to see exactly what I see. I've got a lot of stuff here in the center. Yours will be blank, or it may have a small summary of what these three sources are about. You will not have these tools over here, but you will be able to see this document here and this quiz where you can quiz yourself if you want to over here. So basically, how a notebook works is it only works on these particular sources that I've loaded in here. As long as these sources are trustworthy, which I'm hoping they are, you can trust the information that you're getting as reliable, and you can use that towards your understanding and your learning. But what you will do is you'll use this box down here and you'll start typing your questions that you have. Like you might start off with something like, what exactly is a mole? How does a mole compare to other units of measurement? When exactly did this thing happen? Like when did this come up? Did this unit of measurement get decided? And so on. The information that you get that will spit out in this middle space can be the basis for more questions as you dive deeper into this concept and increase your understanding. Now, if you don't know what questions to ask, you can use this document here. Okay, so I've got some questions here that you can turn to if you want to. In order to minimize, you just close that with those little closing brackets. And then let's say if you want to actually watch one of these videos. Some of them are pretty entertaining. All of them contain good information, I hope. So you would click on that. And then see where it has this pop out here where it says open a new tab. You would click on that. And then, easier. After the ads are done, you are able to watch this video to help develop your understanding. Alrighty? Now, in order to close this video or close this source, you just do the close tabs again, and so on. The moles quiz is pretty fun too, so once you're kind of towards the end of your exploration time, if you want to test yourself and see, well, what do I understand and what do I not understand, this might be a good way to go about it. Well, I hope you guys have fun exploring in this Notebook LM to learn about moles. Don't worry, you can't break the notebook, and no, you can't see what other students are querying, okay, so you don't need to worry about that. But just have some fun with it and see how it helps you to understand this somewhat complicated and mind-blowing concept.